Hi children, how are you? Hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back to maths class. Today in this video I will teach you heavier than and lighter than. Okay, heavier than means weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier than, weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter than. Okay, now open your test books. Yeah, in test book page number 11. Test book page number 11. In page number 11, what is the topic? Heavier than and lighter than. Heavier than means weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier than, weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter than. Okay, first, what is this? Yeah, this is drum and this one is the drumstick. Okay, drum, this drums when we are using in functions లలో ఈ drums మనం యూస్ చేస్తాము. Okay, now in this picture the drum is heavier than a drumstick. The drum is heavier than a drumstick. The drumstick is lighter than a drum. Means this one is the heavier, weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. When the compare this picture, this is the heavier, this one is the lighter. Heavier అంటే weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier, weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter. The drum is heavier than a drumstick. The drumstick is lighter than a drum. Means this one is the heavier, this one is the lighter. Okay, heavier means what is the heavier? Heavier అంటే weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి means బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier, బరువు తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter. Okay, in exercise 7 first write H for heavy. Okay, heavyగా ఉన్నదానికి what we are do? Write H and L for light object. L light object. Okay, light object ki put L. Now here one animal, one bird. Okay, now this one is the elephant, this one is the parrot. Okay, the elephant is heavier than a parrot. Yes or no? The elephant is heavier than a parrot. The parrot is lighter than a elephant. Means this one is the heavier, this one is the lighter. Means ఇది బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది elephant. Parrot బరువు తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Means this one is the heavier, this one is the lighter. Okay, ఇది heavy, బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది elephant. This one lighter. When they compare this one is the heavier, this one is the lighter. The elephant is heavier than a parrot. The parrot is lighter than a elephant. Okay, now what is the question? Write H for heavier. Heavier one, what we are write H. Lighter, write L. Means put here L. Now go to next picture. These are fruits. One is the orange, another one is the watermelon. Okay, now this one is the lighter, this one is the heavier. The orange is lighter than a watermelon. The watermelon is heavier than a orange. Means this one is the lighter, this one is the heavier. When they compare these fruits, this one is the lighter, this one is the heavier. Lighter one, what we are do? Put L. Heavier one, put H. Understood? Means this one is a lightweight, this one is a heavyweight. When they compare these fruits, this one is a light, this one is the heavy. Means weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavy, weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter. Okay, understood? Okay, go to next picture. Tell me children, what is this? Tell me what is this? Yeah, this is pen. Okay, this one feather. Okay, now pen and feather means pen heavy weight. When they compare this picture, this one is a heavier, this one is a lighter. Okay, the pen is heavier than a feather, the feather is lighter than a pen. Means this one is the heavy. Compare these objects, this one is the heavy, this one is the lighter. The pen is heavier than a feather, the feather is lighter than a pen. Means this one is the heavy, this one is the lighter. And heavy one, what we are write? Yeah, H. What? Okay, in this circle write H. And this here, this circle write L. Okay, next. Now this one rat and cat. Okay, now the rat is lighter than a cat. The cat is heavier than a rat. means this one is the lightweight, this one is the heavyweight. When they compare these animals, this one is the light, this one is the heavy. Means lightweight, what we are write? Write L, heavy one put H. Okay, next picture. Okay, now here tell me what is this? Yeah, this is a ball. Now this one pen. This is a pen. Okay, the ball is heavier than a pen. The pen is lighter than a ball. Means this one is the heavy weight, this one is the lightweight. When they compare these objects, this one is the heavier, this one is the lighter. Heavier one, what we are write? Yeah, write H. In this circle, write H. And here L. Okay, next picture. Tell me what is this? Yeah, this is book. And this one scale. Okay, the book is heavier than a scale. The scale is lighter than a book. Means this one is the heavy, this one is the lighter. Means heavy one, what we are write? H. And lightweight right here L. Understood? Okay, today topic what? Heavier than, lighter than. Heavier than means weight ఎక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో heavier than. Weight తక్కువగా ఉంటేనేమో lighter than. Okay? After finishing, post to your class teacher. Okay, ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాక మీ క్లాస్ టీచర్కి పంపించాలి. Okay, now open your maths notebooks. Open your maths notebooks. Okay. First, write date 21/9/2020. Okay, right. On the top, write head, leave two boxes. Start heavier H, H capital letter H. H E A H E A V I E or heavier and finger gap than T small h small a small n. Heavier than, okay, hyphen, lighter L I small I G L I G H T E or lighter finger gap than T H A N. Heavier than, lighter than. Okay, leave one box and start here. Exercise, two box leave, start. Exercise E X E small e or smaller C I smallest E. Exercise hyphen 7. Exercise 7. Okay, leave one box, start from write W capital W smaller I T E. Write H capital H. Write H finger gap F O R for heavy small h E A V Y heavy. Write H for heavy finger gap A and D and L capital L for, F for fur, light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Object, finger gap, O-B-J-E-C-T, object, full stop. Right? H for heavy and L for light, object. Okay, now draw circle. ఓకే, నేను ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తున్నానో మీరు కూడా సేమ్ డ్రా చేయండి ఇన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్. Heavy means write in this box H. Light means in this box write L. Okay, draw neatly. Okay, write H for heavy and L for light object. Now this one is the ball, this one is the balloon. In these objects, which one is the heavy, which one is the lighter? Okay, after write, send it to your class teacher. Understood all of you? Heavier than, lighter than. Okay, neat ga draw cheyali. Okay, now after finishing, post to your class teacher. Now open your maths, open your diaries. Okay, diary open, write a day, Monday, date 21/9. In diary work, practice number names, practice number names 15 to 20. Practice in rub book. Okay, practice ekkada cheyali, rub book lo cheyali. Okay, now test book, this one. After finishing, post to your class teacher. This one and your class work, maths notebook, test book, notebook. After finishing, post to your class teacher. Okay, diary work practice cheyali, rub book lo practice cheyali. What number names 15 to 20. Okay, okay. Today I am going to wind up the class. We will meet next class with another topic. Okay, bye.